This is the all-new Fiesta sport van. This one's in shadow black. You see the wrap-round daytime running lights, black sport grille. See all the way around, you'll see the sports body kit with the side skirt. Comes with 17-inch alloys as standard. This vehicle also comes with rear camera. I'll just show you in the back. Lots of space, so it's a small van, plenty of space in the back. Half bulkhead, equally with the mesh top, so you can still see out the back. We'll come round. I'll just show you into the front of the van. See sport style seats with the red stitching. You also get that on the handbrake, gear knob and steering wheel. This particular vehicle has sat-nav on the 8-inch colour touchscreen, heated seats as well. Also comes with speed limiter, automatic lights as well.